Okay, lane change coming up. Gonna change lane to the left lane. Check center mirror, left mirror. Indicate left. And blind spot check and change lane gradually if it's safe to do so. Far right lane is the overtaking lane on freeway first, so you need to keep left unless overtaking. This is a hot topic among cars motorists, complaining like some people drive slow on right lane on freeway. Try to check your mirrors every 8 to 10 seconds to scan your surroundings so that this information can be handy for your next move. LiDAR and cameras of autonomous vehicles do this every bits of seconds, and we human beings do our best in 8 to 10 seconds at least, or even more depending on where you drive. For your vision, try to look further ahead as the eye gaze shows. I'll cover this topic in a separate video, but on major freeway, you see sudden traffic slow down due to merging congestion, accidents ahead if you're only looking cars in front of you. Okay, merging lane coming up. I check the car on my left, not slowing down even though he has to give way to me. I decide to change my lane to avoid this car. Back traffic was previously checked, and check it now again before changing lane. Let's check 360-degree video footage. This person on my left seems slightly ahead of me, but still he has to give way to me, but just be ready for the case he does not give way to you. Okay, now I'm on an overtaking lane. I need to go back to left lane. Just looking for a gap to change lane. The car behind of me is the guy from the merging lane. Okay, mirror, indicate, and blind spot check, and change lane gradually. Okay, I can see the car behind of me, right lane. Watching out this car just in case he's cutting in, changing lane, and make a last minute decision to exit. Merge lane coming up. Check your mirror. Blind spot. To see who's merging onto us. Another merging lane. Lane lines ends. The vehicle in front has the right of way. Check mirrors and check blind spot. Another merging lane. Check mirror. Blind spot. Nothing coming. This car behind. Just changing lane. And stop your play. In 360 video, the car to my left has to give way to me, and he's behind of me as well. He does give way. Keep that in mind that the maximum speed limit on this freeway is 100 kilometers per hour, and then you can't reach over that speed limit even you're overtaking. Do not go side by side with the car on your next lane. You are in the blind spot and you need safety buffer. Position yourself either before or after the car, then maintain max speed after that. So I decided to go behind of this guy and maintain max speed after that. Just look at the car behind and how he moves, how he changes lanes. This is a 360 video. As festive months is approaching, some people are overly excited and look after yourself on road, and for this kind of crazy driving, just be calm. Uh, Merging onto a freeway, and you entering the freeway now. Match your speed, mirror, indicate, and look for gap in traffic, then blind spot, and merge if it's safe to do so. So there are plenty of gap behind the merging. Another merging lane coming up. I can see a car on my left. Car doesn't seem it's slowing down, so I accelerate a little bit to avoid confusion. Car decides to overtake me. Just keep that in mind that this freeway speed limit is 100 km per hour and speed lights. I can see that. Right, thanks for watching that. In next video I'm gonna explain the merging rule in Western Australia for Freeway. I made a virtual reality simulation for that merging scenario, so I'll explain who goes first, who has to give way in multiple different scenarios in virtual reality setup. Thanks.